Guys, I got a fish on. It's a nice one too.
Yay. Fish.
Also got one, guys.
Oh, yeah. They are right there, guys. Ooh, look at that. I got one. First fish of the day, guys.
Yeah. Got one, guys. Oh, it's a small one, but hey. Vendetta Fishing is back for another video.
Guys.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Fishing the little creek that I fished yesterday. Gonna do some creek fishing. And there's lots of chub there, not big chub. The big
And let's
chub
try
are
to
down
catch
there.
some PBs, guys.
Yeah.
We're ready. Hopefully you guys are ready, and let's do it.
Alright guys, I'm waiting for Freddy now. And we're gonna do the first cast. And as you guys can see, there's loads of chub there. It's crazy. Well, you probably can't see, but here you can see all those chub. Oh, there's a really big one. Not really big. Freddy, there's a nice one. There's a nice one. Cast under the bridge. Alright guys. So yeah, I'm here now. First cast. I already got a bite. I got a bite. Fish. Oh, came off. It's too bad, guys. So what I'm gonna do now? Oh, yeah. They are right there, guys. Ooh, look at that. I got one. First fish of the day, guys. Yes, I will. Ooh! There we go. There he goes back. Look at that, guys. And it wasn't even that big. Alright. Oh, I just had a bite. Second fish of the day.
Yeah. Got one, guys. Oh, it's a small one, but hey. Oh, it's an angry one. It's a nice fish. Let's get him back. There we go. Nice release. Let's do it again.
Yeah. Yeah. Fish. So, okay, guys, look at that chub.
Oh, they're all gone.
They're not all gone.
Yeah, he got one. Got one, guys. Yeah. Nah. Look at that nice fish, guys. Hey guys, so we decided to go to a different spot since we only caught 3 chops so far. It hasn't been that great yet. So we're just gonna try it with some crankbaits. Not gonna do any top water today. But yeah. So let's carry on and try to get some big ones. Guys, I got a fish on. It's a nice one too. It's too heavy to be pulled up. Yes. Get in there. That's a nice fish, isn't it, guys? Get that nice chub, guys. Caught on the spinnerbait. Let's release this one. Here, it's going. Nice fish. Hey guys, so we just finished fishing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. We enjoyed making it, and so yeah, we're gonna see you in the next video. Stay tuned, guys.